Hello guys, I hope you are doing really well. Today I am going to show you one of the very important settings for all of your Samsung Galaxy devices that you should enable as soon as possible. So guys, first of all, what you have to do, you have to go into your settings option. Okay, just go into the settings. Okay, once you enter into the settings, you see an option over here. It says biometrics and security. You can see it over here. So just go inside biometrics and security. So once you go into the biometrics and security, you will see an option over here. It says find my mobile. Okay guys, so this find my mobile, you have to turn it on, you have to enable it as I already did it. Okay guys, so it allows you to track your phone if you lose it or if it is stolen using advanced tracking tools. So enter into the find my mobile, and then you have to put your account over here, your email account. Okay, and then you see there is a website over here. It says findmymobile.samsung.com. So guys, what you have to do, for example, if your phone has been lost, so you can use any other device. You can take a phone from your friend, or you can use your tablet, your PC, or any other device. You have to just go over there and just open the Google Chrome or any web browser and put the website, and the website is find my mobile. Okay, find my mobile. Okay, .samsung.com. Okay, so once you go into this website guys, I will show you. So once you enter into this website, you have to sign in over there, okay, with the same email that you put in your find my mobile app. Okay guys, so what you have to do now, you have to sign in. Okay, so when you sign in, it will ask you for your email, the same email that we put in the find my mobile, and then you have to put the password. So I will sign in now and I will show you how does it work. So guys, I already sign in, and you can see it is giving me the location, exact location where my device is located. So it is very easy for me to track my device. Guys, this is really important if you lose your phone and or if it's been stolen. So this is very important setting that you have to enable. Okay guys, so the next thing is what you have to do. On the downside, you see there are different options over here. So you can see the option here, the last option, you can see it says extend battery life. Okay guys, so this extend battery life, I will show you. Okay, so you can see over here it says extend battery life. Okay guys, so this extend battery life, what it will do is, for example, if your phone is stolen and the battery is consuming too much and you want to extend it, so you have to use this option. Okay guys, the other thing, it will show you the current network status. What is your current network status going on your device? Okay guys, and then it will also give you the option of track location. So once you click this track location, it will show you the missing device for every 15 minutes. It gives you the exact tracking location. Okay guys, so there are a lot of options that you can do it. The very important option that you can also utilize is, if for example, if you think your phone is stolen and you have important data on your device, on your tablet, so you can use this option of erase data. So once you click this erase data, it will start erasing all of the data from your device, so you can save your device guys. So this is really important features. So let's go back and I will take you to the settings again. So if we go into the settings option, there are three more options on the downside, so you can enable those as well. For example, this option here, it says send last location. Okay guys, so send last location means before your phone or your device is turning off, it will send you the last location of that device or that phone or that tablet. Okay guys, and also there is option of offline finding. finding. So offline finding is, for example, if your device is not connected to any network, it will still show you the location of your tablet. So guys, this is really important feature, and I hope you understand its importance, and please do enable it so you can save your device from being stolen, or for example you lost in the office or any place and you want to find it. So this will enable you to find your device easily. So guys, this is for today video, and I hope you like the video, I hope you enjoy the video. So please do subscribe to my channel guys. Thank you very much.